In this video, we'll show how to set up and automate your support team's work in Planfix without breaking your company's unified process. With this strategy, all support work runs in a Kanban board with various stages for processing requests. Requests are automatically received here and converted into tasks. Support employees are assigned to these tasks immediately. Also, all communication regarding a request takes place within the task. This means that replies are sent from Planfix, but delivered to the customer on the same platform they used to contact you. The employee is also able to log the work done inside the task, using the standard actual work time data tag for time tracking. With these data tags, a manager can calculate payroll or evaluate the team's performance. Now, let's go over the setup. Support tasks are created from an object. So first, we will create the object. Enter a name. In this example, we don't need special fields. We'll just arrange the existing ones for convenience. To route tasks straight to support, add the support department as assignees. Then configure the Add Assignees setting to auto-distribute tasks among team members. Now, the object is ready. Next, we'll establish a status set to represent the stages of ticket processing. The default set doesn't cover everything, so we'll add extra statuses. For example, waiting for a response and forwarded to another department. You can easily place the statuses in the order you need. Now just create a Kanban based on these statuses. This is where support will process requests. Next, let's set up email forwarding into Planfix. Go to Account Management, Email. Create a new virtual email address and give it a name. When the first email arrives at this address, for example, a test message, enable AI-based creation of an incoming email processing rule. Now, give the rule a name. In the first block, add a condition such as, the recipient address contains your virtual email address. In the third block, set the script to create a task from the support object, copy the email subject into the task name, and add the customer in the counterparty field. For time tracking, we'll use the standard actual working time data tag. To adapt it for support, you just need to edit the directory it's based on. Now add a support group. Next, fill it with work types and specify the hourly rate for each. Here's the resulting list. And there you go. Now your support team works in the same system as the rest of the company. You can easily involve other departments in customer tasks, discuss customer suggestions, and turn tickets into product improvement tasks. This allows you to use Planfix as your help desk or service desk.